In the interest of avoiding legal action, this is absolutely not the Painkiller today in the Tiki Bunker. I'm your barman and author, Rob, and in honor of my new novel, Halidar, the Last Surveyor, today we're making the Lost in Halidar cocktail from the heart of the Tiki universe here in Missoula, Montana. You might be interested to know that there are a number of trademarked cocktails in the United States. The Dark and Stormy, the Hand Grenade, the Sazerac, the Illegal Unit, the Five-Fingered Man, and the Tiki classic, the Painkiller. Invented at the Soggy Dollar Bar in the British Virgin Islands in the 1970s, so named because there was no way to drive or walk there. You had to go up through the water after you parked your boat. The Painkiller was originally made with Cruzan rum. In the late 1980s, Pussers rum trademarked the cocktail and then enforced their trademark on a bar in New York City. From what I've heard, it may have gone badly for Pussers ever since. In other words, the blowback may have been substantial. Enough talk. It's Tiki time. For your Lost in Halidar cocktail, get your best large Tiki mug and fill a shaker with ice. Add 4 ounces of pineapple juice, 1 ounce of orange juice, 1 ounce of cream of coconut. Come on, get it in there. Good. 2, 3, or 4 ounces of rum, depending on your level of pain, discomfort. Due to your lostness, of course. Then, shake and open pour into your marvelous Tiki mug. And don't forget the fresh nutmeg. Let's try it. So good. The pineapple and coconut create this foam that Tiki lovers love to love. All in all, the Lost in Halidar cocktail is delicious, and if you go with the 4-ounce version, can be deadly. Ready to pay your bill? Well, there's no charge. Just pick up a copy of my latest novel, Halidar, the Last Surveyor. I guarantee it'll ease your pain lostness. Yeah, links to the recipe and the book below. See you next time in the Tiki Bunker.